Hello, internet friends. This video is brought to you by whatever German lager this is from Weekend Beer Company in Grants Pass, Oregon. I brought that beer home for my motorcycle trip. That's what I like to do, is collect craft beers and then try to drink them before my wife does, which sometimes I succeed at. But luckily, German lager seems to be a thing that only I like, so I got to drink that one. So in this video, I'm continuing to rivet the right elevator skins. As you can see, I'm using the bucking bar called for in the plans, and no, I didn't construct it myself because I'm lazy. And you can just order it from Cleveland Tool for like 40 or 50 bucks or something like that. Anyway, I'm the kind of person that if there's a cool tool, I'm just gonna buy it to have it. Because, you know, when you need a tool and you don't have it, that's the worst. So, figure I might as well just buy the tool and then I'll have it. And then, you know, if someone needs to borrow it, I can be like, well, here you go. I have this tool in my drawer because I bought it so I could have it. So the other thing I'm doing here, I don't know if you can tell, but basically I'm riveting these rivets to the spar one by one. And what I'm doing is pulling out the cleco and then putting in the rivet and then putting a piece of blue tape over it, because I've found that works pretty well to not create marks on the skin that I'll have to fix whenever I paint it or pay someone else to paint it. We'll see what happens there. And in the plans it says to shim under the ribs while you do this riveting. And so what I found works great as a shim and is just about the right size is a yardstick. So I just taped that to the other side. You can see right there, that yellow yardstick that I have been using. It's actually metal, but it worked just as good. It was just like the perfect size. And I didn't find any marks on my skins or bends, so I think it was successful. Alright, so I counted. There's only 7 more videos, although I'm encoding today's work, so we'll see how many videos that creates. Probably at least 2. So we might be 9 videos behind real time now, which we've actually made great progress this week, putting out a video each day. It's been a little exhausting, but it's a good exercise in determination and commitment, sitting down to record something every night. Which kind of mirrors the goal of working 1 hour every day, right? Like, let's accomplish a little bit on the plane every day, and that's how we make an airplane eventually, right? Eventually. Okay, so looks like we've moved on to continue riveting. Got some child labor here. Also, heads up, when you rivet the rear spar, remember you still have to access the left and right skins there. In the plans it says do not rivet, and I riveted because I wasn't paying attention, so I just drilled out those rivets and then I guess I'll put them back in, but eventually. Alright, so since I've been publishing a video every day, it's hard to come up with updates. Although today I was looking at events coming up that I've booked in advance. I was a little sad because in September 1st I had a place marker for go to Germany and do Oktoberfest, which I think I'm gonna punt till next year because of reasons that should be obvious. And so that's not going to happen this year. And then the Reno air races, I was thinking about going to that. So I had the place marker in there. I made a hotel reservation. And because of work, you know, I have like 80 bajillion hotel points and airline points. So I could go, but I think I was looking at the different races, and I don't think I'm going to go this year. Still haven't decided, but now that I've actually looked at the logistics of getting there and watching the air races, I think it might actually be a better experience to just watch it on TV. The previous years they've streamed it live on the internet for free, and they got telescoping cameras that zoom in on planes and views on the inside. So that's been a pretty good viewing experience. I don't know that actually viewing it from the ground is going to be any better. The only thing that might be better is going into the pits and talking to the pilots. But yeah, I don't know. Once I started looking at the logistics, I don't think I'm going to do Reno this year. So there you go. And also I have other travel coming up. So I got like I said, a week where I'm going to the electrical class for the sport air workshop, and then I think a few weeks after that I'm going to go do flight training in the RV-14 demonstrator that Vans has. So I think I'm just gonna cancel that trip since they'll burn a weekend, and I got tons of work to do here, obviously. Okay, thanks for watching, and in the next video, more Wright Elevator. And also, if you're interested in joining the Vans RV Slack group, I'll put the link in the description, and click on it and you can join. Alright, see you in the next video.